Hello guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. Okay, so it has been quite a long time that I haven't made a video. So just thought of go out for a short ride and make a video so that I can talk to you guys. Today in this video I'm going to ride for some distance just to see how the new seat is going to be. So stick around. I'm going to go some places in this video and take you guys along with me. Kind of short adventure.
I decided to do some off-roading.
Okay, let's try this route. Let's see how this bike is going to perform. Oh.
Though the ground was wet, the tire of this bike did not move an inch.
Fantastic, I'm impressed. All right. Oh, that was close.
This little stretch of mud was preventing me from getting onto the highway. I felt like riding through it, but then I didn't want rest of my trip ruined.
That was very easy. I never felt so easy on a bike. Okay, back on the highway after some off-roading. Let's spin the wheels. It's been a very long time that I haven't ride a bike, and that too after such a long break. It feels so good. The wind.
The purpose of this ride was to test and experience recently upgraded seat on this bike. I chose National Highway 163 because it is very near to my home. So near that it takes 10 minutes to get onto it. NH 163 connects Hyderabad with Chhattisgarh, which is a major road in East Hyderabad.
I crossed 100 and I don't feel any vibration on my bike. There's a little vibration on my foot pegs, but nothing on the handle and the rest of the body of the bike.
Maneuvering this bike is so easy that you don't need any advanced skills. I met few motorbike enthusiasts on the way. After the unplanned meet, I left from there to ride for some more distance. Sometime later, it started to drizzle. I felt there was nothing more I needed during this short ride. How clearly the sky reveals God's glory, how plainly it shows what He has done. Each day announces it to the following day. Each night repeats it to the next. May the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be pleasing in your sight, O Lord, my rock and my redeemer. And yes, in this trip, I rode about 200 kilometers and the newly upgraded seat feels fantastic.